Hi, I'm Stefano from Italy. Thanks for watching our Pedrazzoli video tutorials. In the previous videos, we learned how to set up the machine and the tooling. In this video, we will show you how to program the IMS control of the machine and how to make your first bend. Now, how to create a program. You go on HD. You recall, for example, an existing program and go back. This is a left and right and push bending program that we did, and I will use it and overwrite all the data. Here you can select what you want to see. All the columns of the program, just the speed, just the push bending, and so on. Otherwise, all the columns show you everything that is inside of the program. You delete the row and you start to program. So, the distance between the bends. My first bend, I want to do it at 120 millimeter. The bending angle, let's put 120. If there is a rotation, the speed, the manual pre-extraction value, if you want to lubricate during bending, the opening position of the clamp die, then we have the simultaneous buttons. If you want to advance and rotate at the same time, you enable the button. With this is able now. This is the over travel. This is when the former starts to return. I want my former to return when the bend arm is, for example, at 20 degrees. I put in 20 and the former starts to return at this value. If it is on 0, it returns when the bend arm is completely back. These are the values that I use for the push bending, so we don't care for the moment. The radius is always used for push bending. Now I am bending on the first stack and to the right. These are the correction values. So if you have to add a few millimeters on the length, on the angle, or on the rotation, you add them here. Once I have created the program with a simple bend, always go in here, HD, save, we cancel, we recall the program, 120 degree bend, and save it again. Now I have always the previous program and I have my 120 degree bend program. I recall the program. Now, of course, my tube length changed. So I can cut my tube at 300 millimeter or whatever it is. I can see the part in 3D. You have the bend here. And you can make an anti-collision simulation. Now I can perform an empty run. How we do it? With the key in manual mode, we transfer the program to the machine and then you turn the key in automatic. To perform an empty run, I suggest to remove the mandrel. Or, be careful, press start and do it at a very low speed. The machine goes in starting position, the loading position, start, and slowly, to avoid to destroy the mandrel, you make an empty run. If the cycle is okay, we can perform a test. Follow us for more online video tutorials. Don't hesitate to contact your commercial partner for all your questions or doubts. Thanks for watching this video. Ciao!